Hi soul openers, welcome back. I'm Joy and I'm an online marketing and online course expert and the founder of Soul Guide Media. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a quiz because this is a really good way to generate leads. And also through the answers, you will receive really interesting information about your potential clients. So first you go to sites and then you go to quizzes and then to builder and then add quiz. So now you can drag and drop all of your questions. And I also recommend to add one question at a time. So every page, one question, because otherwise it's really overwhelming for someone. If somebody is seeing 10 questions on one page, they will just not answer it because it's like too much for them. Yes, no. Number and single choice. Okay. Let's call this test quiz. And for example, if you are a fitness coach, you can ask, how fit are you now? Okay. Yeah, how fit are you? And then we can add some answers. We can say fit, average, and not fit. Submit. And I also recommend to mark required. So the first answer is fit. And the second one is average. And the third is not fit. Okay. And now we can also add scores. So fit is 100, average is 50, and not fit is 5. And now we can also select, jump to another question. So if somebody is answering fit, maybe they can skip all of these questions and go to number 4. If they are saying average, maybe they can go to question 3. And otherwise, they can just go to the next question. And then you can also add the branding, add some colors, your own fonts. You can just play around with it. Let's save it. And then we can also add the result page. So everything is already set up for you, but you can just maybe add some colors or maybe a call to action or your logo. You can say results. How fit are you? Okay. Score settings. Let's see what we have here. This is not fit. This is average. And this is fit. Okay. The colors are also right. So red is not fit, green is fit, and average is orange. Okay, maybe you can also add a call to action. So that is this part. You can say, do you need any guidance on your fitness journey? And then book a discovery call, and then with a link to your calendar. So yeah, this is how it looks. So save it, and you can also integrate it to a funnel. So you can just copy this code or you can just copy this link. So now we set everything up. We can also create an automation. So let's go back to automations and create a new workflow from scratch. So now we're going to set up an automation for every answer. So we're going to call this quiz automation. Quiz automation. Trigger is quiz submitted. Quiz name is quiz test. And then we're also going to add a filter. Overall score less than 50. Less 50. Okay, gonna add another trigger. Quiz submitted. Then is quiz test, add another filter. Overall score is greater than 50. More 50. Okay, save trigger. And first we need to save it because otherwise we cannot split these two automations. So we want to split these two triggers. So we're going to add another one and then we're going to make a split with this automation. So we're going to make branches. So the first one is less than. And then we're going to create another one, and that is more than 50. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Save action. So now you can create emails for this specific score. So maybe you want to send an email or an SMS because if it's less than 50, maybe you want to invite them for a discovery call. When it's more than 50, maybe you want to say good job. So yeah, you can do whatever you like and you can make it as long as you want. So this is how you set up a quiz and an automation. Good luck, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.